Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from Yard? Yeah man, darn it. Big up yourself. Your sister me just left out of your enterprise. Big up yourself, girl. Boop. Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking show. The Jamaican cooking journey. You all know yourselves. Those who were there with me from the beginning, welcome. Manners and respect. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Okay. Today, I want to show you all something out there. If you notice what is happening here, you see I have a few items. This is like a little mini grocery haul. Mini? Yeah, semi-grocery haul because nothing much is here. But I want to show you all how financial wise how thing goes in Jamaica. I just want to show you. I'm just coming from like a supermarket close by. I just want to pick up a few things that I kind of really need. It's not a big shopping. So here we go. Right here I have 2 whole chicken. Right? And this almost, you have to say 10 pounds of chicken. And this was $1,911 Jamaican. $1,911 Jamaican. 10 pounds chicken. Right here, I have a 2-liter light. Yeah. And I have, this is like a quarter ketchup a thing. I have 2 Malta well. I bought a 6-pack. A Malta, and they gave me the 2 cans. So it was like probably, I don't know, I must have for them little something that to them give me, so I get 2 free, I'm not sure. Alright, I think yes, I bought a 6-pack Malta, and I got these 2 free. Right here I have a pack of just regular tea, and this is another diabetic tea. I have a little tin of guarana. I have 2 dragon, you know dragon? Yeah man. We have 4 red stripe light. Yeah. We have just 1 Protex soap. I have a little teeny wrapper of escallion. And the scallion is like this now. Family, this is $143.22 Jamaican. I have a cabbage right here. I have a small bottle of white distilled vinegar. A little pack with 3 carrots. A pack of margarine. We have a small bottle thing. We have 2 packs of cheese, you know, little crunchy biscuit snack. And we have a Lay's cheesy. These are just snacks. This is a bread here. It's a healthy start multigrain bread. I have a little package of black pepper. A little slice of wine cake. I was just trying something because I can't do all of this, but I was just trying something new. 3 packs. Are the cheapest brand of macaroni and cheese, and these are the them are not shell. That's the regular one. A little package of lettuce, 3 onions, and 4 packs of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. That's it. Now the chicken, as I told you, it's 1,900 and something. This bill now, the total for all of these except the chicken is $5,399.77 Jamaican. $5,399.77 Jamaican for all of these liquors except the chicken. So you do the maths, family. When you had a 1,911 to 5,399.77, you know what it is? That is over 50 US. So family, you realize that if you have your family down at Jamaica and you send a bills, we call it a bills down here in the US, $100. And you buy a little food out of this, you know it go. That's how it goes in our country. But guess what? $1 is $1 in any country, and we have to live. Just highlighting to you all how it goes. And see family, me never remember, you know. I left out my one Anakin. Because regardless of what I want, I go beat Anakin in the day, you know. So, just trying to highlight, just showing you all how our grocery thing. This is just a little mini because you can see we don't have tissue, we don't have rice. no toiletries, coconut oil, all of them something they're not there. So can you imagine if you were to buy those? And you know this, as me tell you, this is just a little, this is just for share for today. So, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Yeah? Run, come tell them, look at the Jamaican mini grocery haul. And if you want me to do more for you, leave it in the comments below. Because we can do more of these videos if you like them. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And thank you all. Thank you so much again. Remember, man, love you, love you, love you. Debbie from Donga Yard. Yeah, man. Boop.